Hey guys, Austin again. Sorry it's been a long time. I've been busy with school and I decided to make this video showing you what I got for this. For my white TV VCR Combo Mr. Lifer gave me back in April this year. So, he said that he had a remote for it, the original remote that came with the TV, but missed a guy that he gave this. Let me tell you this story before we unbox this. Let me tell you guys this. When I was a freshman, that TV right there, I'll confess, I actually saw that TV in Mr. Mueller's room when I was a freshman. I think September 15th, 2017 I did. Because I remember, guys, turning on the TV and, putting that tape in there and testing it, making sure it worked. And, of course, it did before I went to class. And, no, I did not get hollered at or anything, but I remember it was right at the end of a 7th hour before I went to study hall that day. And it was Mr. Leifried's, but Mr. Ryan Kleppy, who was my mentor's guy for 9th grade, as many of you may or may not know, but he would borrow that TV to have this guy. Mr. Leifried told me when this guy was in the hospital and stuff, they watched these old 80s recordings of old football games and stuff, and he'd use that TV VCR for that. He didn't really use it anymore, so why he offered to give me this one, give me that one. But someday down the road, I'll find an identical Emerson TV VCR combo, and hopefully the VCR will work on it. But I don't know. But anyways, Mr. Corey found this remote, but it's a DVD TV player combo remote, and it's looks kind of the same, but it only controls the power. I'll zoom the camera in. If you can see, control the power, the display, the volume, the channels, the numbers, and input select. I think that's all it controls. But it can control that my Toshiba Funai TV DVD VCR combo. But let me unzoom the camera. So there's that. Actually, Mr. Leifried had these Amazon Basics batteries. Expires January 2028. We know that's off topic, but oh, what did I do? Oh, hang on, guys. I gotta put that aside. Well, let's unbox this. I think I can get this open without the scissors. I think. This is pretty hard to open, actually. I have to cut through this with my... I think I can get this. There we go, I cut a hole through it. Just what it looked like in the picture. Here it is. Let me, unbox it. Ooh, it even has a note. Here is the original remote for this Toshiba. Looks really yellowed. Holy crap. And look at the battery cover. Let's put the batteries from the other one it wrote in here. Let's cover this up. Let's compare it. They look the same, but it even has a note. Lockheed Recycling Tech. Hope I don't get in trouble for that, but here's the remote for this, and I'll demonstrate all the functions for this remote. So it will turn on, as you can see, just like the other remote. It takes a while for it to warm up. Closed captioning, sleep. I had a Sansui TV that looked exactly like this. Channel and volume controls. Muting. Speed change. And menu. How do you... Oh, you use these to control the menu. You press enter to go get into the language. Okay, so this is kind of weird. I haven't used a remote like this in a long time, but all clock off. This is weird. Hold on. This video is going to take forever. I gotta figure out how to control this and get used to this remote. I won't set the clock for right now. Every call in this case means display. It means display. Oh, I gotta show the rest of the menu. This is gonna take forever. Sorry, guys. This is gonna just take forever to... Because I have to press, like, V-chip, on-off timer, and picture. No, I think that's it for the menu. Now let's go ahead and pop in a tape and show you guys how it works. What do you want to watch? Let me see what we want to watch. I think we can do Congo. I think we can do Congo. Here's the tape. This tape's for the 29th week of 2001. So here we go. No copper refrigerant time. We turn the volume down for copyright. No copper refrigerant time. Have to press record. both of your fingers and put the tape back in. There's a digital tracking button, which is nice. Skip storage, I think, is 0 for like a minute. Oh, for 30 seconds, okay. Okay, this is... No cover for Lieutenant once again. Do not take this video down. Okay. That's my demonstration on my remote for this TV VCR Combo. And I'll see you guys later. This video is like over 11 minutes long. Bye.